Let's talk about simplehuman wall mount pumps, stainless steel, 444 ml triple. More suds, less clutter, eliminate bottle clutter and keep shampoo and soap within easy reach. Ergonomic T-bar lever, lets you control the amount of soap dispensed with just one hand. Rustproof and corrosion-resistant, durable, long-lasting materials won't rust or discolor. 32 cm width by 9.4 cm dx 24.5 cm height. 5-year warranty. Installs easily with adhesive strips and silicone glue included or screw into the wall for a more secure installation. Make sure the alcoholic wipe is used to make all grease is removed from your wall or tiles. Well built, really solid construction. Easy to fit. The pack comes with 2 options to fit, either screw in or stick onto tiles. Whilst the temptation might be there to use the glue and stick on solution, I suggest screwing into the tiles, as when you've added soap into the bottles it can be quite heavy. The dispensers work really well and give an ample amount of soap, no leakage and easy to clean. I'm also really impressed with the little hook on the end, as it makes it easier to hang any cleaning items you need. This was bought as a replacement for the twin bottle model. Fortunately, I was just able to get it into the space available. It is a very smart looking dispenser unit. The main advantages are that it delivers the liquids easily and in a good quantity with each pull on the lever. The thumb rest area is also very helpful when applying leverage. Refilling is easily accessible and the clearer bottles can allow easy monitoring of the contents.